Okay guys, we are literally walking in the door from the Creation Museum and I need to prep some food. So I'm taking one of these chicken breasts and this sort of tiny pot, and we are going to be making supper for tonight, and then I'm also going to make supper for the next little bit, or meals for the next little bit. So let's do this. I have, let's see, 4 pounds of chicken here, and I'm gonna cut this just into small pieces. I'm gonna make this into chicken tacos. Do I know what I'm doing? Not really. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this into itty bitty pieces because these are gonna go inside of taco shells just like you would do with meat. All right, so I'm just gonna cut this in really small pieces here, and then I'll probably have to do rotation of food just like we were doing at the other house, and that's okay. We'll just rotate it, but I'm gonna make them into really tiny pieces and then cook them like that so they'll be easier to eat in taco form. And I'm trying to think, oh, the other one is for cranberry chicken, so that will be easy. I brought my, as you know, I brought my crock pot, so we'll be able to just do that fairly easily. So I'm making these into, I'll show you, this knife's a lot sharper than the other ones, pieces like this. I am going to just throw this butter in there. It's half a stick of butter. Waiting to see other people put the onions away, so I don't know where the onions are, so we're waiting to have people come in so I know where the onions are. So I'm cutting it like this, so it's like thinner. And then I'm taking that and I'm cutting that into small strips. And then I'm chopping those up. So I just have 4.5 pounds of chicken here, chopped up into tiny pieces. And then I found this beautiful pot. Isn't this lovely? I love this pot. Nice thick bottom. That's lovely. I'm gonna fill this with water to put pasta over here. She put 2 packages, like 8 pounds, or over 8 pounds, like 9 pounds of chicken in there. This would be for 2 meals for us, or if we are hosting somebody, we're not still sure yet, then we would have enough chicken to host people as well. So, yeah, and the recipe is on the channel. So basically she's adding a bunch of pre-canned cranberry sauce, some Catalina dressing, and some onion soup mix. It will make a delicious sauce over that, and we will serve that over rice and have a side. We end up putting this into 2 crock pots, so we will put these in the refrigerator for tomorrow. So we got 2 things of taco shells in there, and then the meat is almost done. I'm gonna grab an onion and chop that up for people to put on top, some lettuce and some tomato. What else? Sour cream, cheese. We need cheese. Put the chicken out into an area that we're gonna have for supper, and I'll share that with you for a minute. She is doing the hamburger, and then we started some water for the pasta. I've got some lettuce, I chopped up some onion, and then I'm gonna chop some tomatoes. I don't know. Yeah, look at all the food. So we have tacos here, and then we have, better hurry up and say this before we don't serve. And then we have the chicken here, lettuce, onions, cheese. We have more cheese than this, but we're using the first bag first. Tomatoes, and then carrot sticks with ranch dressing and sour cream. That's what we have. And we're gonna bring Azariah out and let him sit there.
Alright.
What, carrots and ranch?
Are you happy outside? So pretty. Yeah. Gonna eat supper with your family.
Where are you gonna sit with this? Okay, so just put the gluten-free pasta in here. We did 5 pounds because we may or may not have people coming over when we do this meal, and we'd rather be safe than sorry. And if there is leftovers, it will be eaten. This meat is all cooked up, and so I'm just going to add 3 cans of sauce to the meat. Okay, so I added the sauce in here. We're just gonna let this cook down for a bit until the noodles are cooked, and then we will mix it all up into a goulash. Okay, I'm going to dump the sauce into the pasta. Let's see if this is sturdy enough to stir it. Mix it up. Okay, that is all mixed up and all done.
Yes, we eat very basic, quick, and easy meals for our vacations, and that's just what works for our family. So you'll see a lot of repeat things, but it's quick and easy, and it gets people fed.